not an evil spirit.
Well, today we are visiting Park Güell, which is one of the main tourist attractions here in Barcelona. Started the day a little, I guess, rushed.
Pero mira,
I like rocks.
Okay, Cameron.
I'm not retarded, but I like rocks.
I don't know about you, but my legs are already tired.
Oh yeah, my calves are done.
We've been walking so much these past few days.
I'll put a picture of what the steps we did in yesterday. Not good.
No, this one's fine. I was say if it's bad, I'd rather eat that one, so it doesn't get worse. Yeah, that looks cool.
What do they call it over here? They call it basketball?
I'm not sure what they call it in the NFL. Ball would be soccer.
Yeah, right?
Then us Americans had to be like, no.
No.
Solo estos, nada más. Ah, no, sé también.
So far, everything here has been wheelchair or stroller accessible, which is pretty nice for you.
Już poczekać chwilę, no.
Alright, so all these little houses are behind me are like gift shops. So unless you plan on buying something, I wouldn't even go in it, honestly. So far, the hardest thing to get used to around here is the public transportation, because not much of it is in English. But your GPS, like Google Maps or Safari, will help you out tremendously. You just have to pay attention to the stops, because it is very easy to miss your stop.